The HotSpring Sovereign is a single lounger premium spa for 5 people. The low profile and rectangular shape makes it quite unique. It measures 236 by 203 and is 84 centimeters high. This model offers 5 different massage seats to complete a full body massage. The Moto-Massage lounger offers thigh, calf and foot massage all in one. The Highlife models have a sleek, modern design with a choice of 5 different cabinet colors and 5 different shell colors. Visually, it's beautiful with lighting both on the inside and on the outside. The water filtration is carried out with the help from 3 Tri-X filters and optional, the integrated freshwater salt system, a cleaning system that offers you soft, crystal clear water that lasts up to 1 year between each filling. From the remote control, you can access all features like jets, lights and cleaning cycles in your spa, plus any accessory you add to your spa like Bluetooth music system. The Sovereign has been a bestseller for us for decades because of its appealing size and shape.